What's up, guys, and welcome to Digital Heresy. In the IT field, knowing and understanding the power behind the command prompt is essential to any business. Think of it like this. The CPU or processor is the brain of your computer, and the command prompt is the key to unlock it. If you can learn the command prompt at an advanced level, then you can pretty much do anything on a PC. And a lot of IT professionals still use command prompt to this day because it is still an essential tool to use. Today, I'm going to show you guys 10 ways to access the command prompt, and in later videos, I will actually show you guys important commands that every PC user should know from a beginner to an expert. So let's get started. So for the first way to open up the command prompt, we're coming down to the search and then typing in CMD and then pressing enter. The second way, we're going to go ahead and press the Windows key and R. Then this run box is going to pop up and you want to type in cmd.exe and then hit OK. The third way, we're going to go ahead and open up a shortcut. So on your desktop, right click, go to New, Shortcut, type in cmd.exe, and then hit Next, and then Finish. And then what this does is it opens up a little shortcut on your desktop for the command prompt. Double click it, and you'll be able to get into it. For the fourth way, we're going to come down to the search, type in CMD, and here we can either pin it to the start menu if you have an available spot, or pin it to the taskbar. That way you can actually see it here. If you don't have an available spot, go ahead and just right click on something and then unpin from start, and it'll give you an extra space. So you can get to it from here, or if you pinned it, you can get it on the bottom. So the fifth way, we are going to go ahead and go down to the start menu, click on all apps, and then you want to scroll all the way down till you get to Windows Tools. In Windows Tools, you will go ahead and see command prompt right here. So for the sixth way, we are actually going to use the File Explorer. Two different ways. You can either come down here and click on File Explorer and then search CMD and then press enter, and then it'll automatically pop up. Or you can do the same thing by pressing the Windows key and E. So that's two different ways to get into File Explorer. So for the seventh way, we're actually going to still use the File Explorer, except for we're going to navigate all the way to that folder. So we're going to press the Windows E, and then at the top, you're going to go ahead and copy and paste C:\/ Windows with a capital W / System32 with a capital S. Press enter, and then you want to go ahead and scroll down. If I can get this to open. And go ahead and scroll down to the C's. And here it is. So, the eighth way, we're actually going to go into the Task Manager. Go to Task Manager. And then here, you want to go to Run New Task. And then go ahead and type cmd.exe. And then press enter. Or you can even just type CMD. Either way is fine. So the ninth way, we're actually going to utilize Windows PowerShell, and there's several different ways to get here. So the very first way is to press the Windows key and X, and then you're gonna have these come up. So click on Terminal. And so this is Windows PowerShell. And from here, you will hit Control, Shift, and then the number 2. And then this will go ahead and open up the command prompt in administrator mode, if you were on administrator in the PowerShell. Or if you wanted, you can right click on the start menu, go to Terminal, and then do the same thing, Control, Shift, the number 2, and it will go ahead and bring you into command prompt. And the 10th and final way I'm going to go over is actually going into the troubleshooting menu when you restart your computer. So what you want to do is go ahead and hit the Shift key and then restart your computer. Make sure you're still holding on the Shift key as it's restarting. And then at this screen, you can go ahead and let go of the Shift key. So we're gonna go ahead and navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And then this is how you get into the command prompt outside of Windows. But technically you can still do everything here that you would on the desktop for the command prompt. So as of Windows 10 and later versions, command prompt has been replaced by Windows PowerShell, and I'll show you guys that again. All you gotta do is press the Windows key and X, and then click on where it says Terminal. This box will pop up. Now, PowerShell is in fact a more powerful tool than the command prompt because it's not just a command shell. It's also a scripting language that allows for more complex operations, automation, and system management tasks, which were all things that were limited when using command prompt. However, the command lines that are actually used in command prompt are the same ones that will be used in PowerShell. But as I said earlier, a lot of people will still use command prompt on Windows 10 and higher versions until it is completely phased out of the Windows operating system. And that, my friends, brings us to the end. If you want to get into the IT field or have some basic to advanced knowledge, then you got to know the ins and outs of whatever operating system you are actually working with, and I can actually help you with that. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more PC tutorials. If you guys have any ideas on something you would like to learn specific to Windows or Linux, let me know down in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video.